So Space is back with another Elizaos update for you guys. Still a great entry for Elizaos here, in my honest opinion, my humble opinion. Obviously, guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose, but I think Elizaos is going to be that AI project that really takes, the space by storm. A lot of people are going to be shocked by it. Shaw keeps building, his team keeps building, and that's what you like to see, right? There's actual product being laid out and built for this project here, and I think it's just gonna keep expanding, right? All we need now is to see is the product market fit. That's really all we need. We need to see users, we need to see people onboarded, we need to see people changing their lives by using Elizaos, right? You have one story where one person, some random guy, uses the Elizaos protocols, and then they make 6 to 7 figures. All of a sudden, it's the talk of the town. Everyone is using the products here, and then boom, we start our ascent to my target of $10, right? There will be $100 billion market cap AI project. I think Elizaos is that project, right? So right now, sitting at 32.64 million market cap, circulating market cap, and 47.99 in fully diluted market cap, right? So just under 0.005, right? I entered publicly at 0049. Now it's at 004361, right? So still, went lower than my entry, right? Now, obviously, it's a good time to DCA. If you didn't buy, this is a great entry, right? And it only costs you around $437 to get you 100,000 Elizaos coins, right? So like I said, never invest more than you're willing to lose. I think even once you have that 100,000 coins, that's a great way to go, man, because I think the potential of $1 here is very possible at 7.48 billion, if not $10 from here, right? I've already laid out my thesis in previous videos, and I'm sticking with that, right? I have my idea. I see content creators calling for that $100 billion AI project, and I don't see any. After researching a lot of the other AI projects, I don't see any of them that have the the founder, now obviously virtuals and Tau have that chance for success as well, but I think this has the Ponzi-nomics as well, if that makes sense. I think this has the Ponzi-nomics, right? The type of it's a type of project where people are gonna FUD it and be sidelined as it just keeps going higher, just like we saw with Pepe, right? It has that type of mimetic side to it as well, right? Whereas with virtuals and Tau, it doesn't have that mimetic side, right? So that's why I think this is the one that'll achieve such a goal, right? So looking okay here, pretty good in my opinion still, right? As long as we could come back down to the low, let's be honest, how this market is going. We could come all the way back down to 2.5, right? 0.025, but that's okay. That's when I would fully actually DCA a lot more, right? So we'll see how it goes, right? But if you take a look at X, you can see Willie the Hack, Play Babylon is coming, Elizaos is about to explode. So there's a product, like I stated, they're building out so many products. This is one of the products that goes live on Elizaos, right? The arena where humans and agents compete, learn, and earn in continuous prediction games, all powered by real evolving AI characters. So it is pretty much going to be a prediction market in more of a video game format, which is pretty cool, which obviously uses, like stated, AI characters, right? So this is pretty cool stuff, I like what I see here. They'll also have an NFT drop as well. Interesting, right? And this is all being built out in the Elizaos protocol, right? So one of these products becomes successful, hits product market fit, that's going to be good for Eliza, right? Right here you have Shaw, Babylon launch in the next couple of weeks. Just dialing in gameplay and generation. I've been grinding on the decentralized version. Almost deployed onto our network. Should be fun, right? Niraj here. Great trader, Niraj. was unfortunate to lose like a lot of his net worth, but grinded his way back up, which is, you know, just super impressive to see. I took the risk on Elizaos. Manage your risk according to your own appetite. Be prepared for volatility. Don't come crying if we see a pullback, right? So right here, I'm guessing he shared in his Telegram that he got some position, right? Guys, I took the risk, cleaned up some position, and went a bit heavy on Elizaos. It's now 24% of my portfolio. Wow, do this only at your own risk. If you're not a high risk investor, I'd suggest keeping it around 5 to 8%. But you see, that's smart here, right? It's not, even if he did invest 24%, it's not all of his portfolio, right? This is how you manage your risk, guys. Again, strategy. You have to be strategic. You have to be strategic, right? Content creator here, covering Elizaos in a 20-minute video. 19,000 impressions, right? 18,000 impressions. That's pretty great. That's great to see. Full AI agent stack, Eliza Cloud, Babylon, revamped tokenomics, and Shaw makes his return to X. AI agents are back, right? So again, I think this is in a great spot as far as a product and a protocol goes. As far as AI goes, this is one of the better AI products in my opinion, because you see the devs building, controversy aside, you see them building, you see them delivering products, you see them actually creating something. This is not just a meme. This is not a AI meme. This is not just a picture of an AI meme, right? Any of these protocols become successful, you will see the Elizaos price skyrocket, right? But typically, you're not, you know, in this market condition, not typically, but in these market conditions, it may be tough to achieve that. But once that is achieved, you know, the products are successful, typically the price will follow, right? So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.